In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from QuickBooks Online to Excel. Exporting data is an essential skill for anyone who wants to perform more detailed analysis, share financial data with others, or simply keep a local backup of important information. Let's dive in. First, navigate to QuickBooks Online and locate the gear icon. You'll find this icon at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, look for and select Export Data. This will take you to a new screen where you can further refine and choose the specific pieces of data you want to export. QuickBooks Online is flexible, offering a variety of data types ready for export. Options include essential financial reports like the general ledger, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, trial balance, and journal entries. Each of these reports provides a detailed view into the financial health of your business, offering different perspectives and information critical for informed decision-making. Additionally, you have the option to export lists, which can include data about your customers, employees, and vendors. These lists are valuable for maintaining up-to-date records and can help you manage relationships and payrolls more effectively. To select the items you want to export, you'll see switches next to each type of data. When a switch is toggled to the green position, it indicates that this specific data will be included in your export. Feel free to choose as many or as few items as you need, tailored to your current requirements or future planning. Once you've made all your selections, it's time to export. Look to the bottom right of the screen. There, you'll find the Export to Excel button, which is your next step. Clicking on this will initiate the download of your selected data directly into an Excel file. This file can now easily be accessed, stored, or shared as needed. And just like that, you've successfully exported your data from QuickBooks Online to Excel. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for analysis and sharing. By having your data in Excel, you gain access to powerful tools for data processing, making your financial management more efficient and comprehensive. Take your time as you work through these steps the first few times to ensure everything is selected properly. Eventually, it will become second nature. Remember, having the ability to export your data gives you greater control and flexibility, helping you make well-informed decisions for your business. That's all for today. We hope this guide was clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!